Hello, everyone. This is my review of Franklin's Gourmet Popcorn Seasoning Variety Pack. It's 5 different seasonings that come in a pack. We have our 4 cheeses here, cinnamon churros, spicy dill pickle, odd flavor, but still kind of good, just odd. Our salsa con queso, and garlic butter. So one is my favorite. They are great for spicing up your popcorn, but you can use it with other foods as well. Okay, I got some popcorn here. I'm gonna add the 4 cheeses to it. Just shake it on there, like you do, like in common, like a pepper or salt, and you season it real nice, and you just enjoy your popcorn. I hope this review helps.